All right, SNTG, we're looking at a daily chart here. I've got it marked out on the daily. I've marked out some hourly levels. And bringing it down to the 2-minute chart here, you can see now it's breaking out of this 383 level with some volume coming in here. So this is dollar volume, right? That is dollar volume. Let me just double check that. Dollar volume. Dollar volume. Yeah, so that's a lot of volume coming in. You can see it on the scanner. It's on the most important gap, it's the top one. The float is a little over 1 million. It's traded its entire float. Now it's blue, so that must mean something. All right, so we're getting some volume here. So you could have picked it up. It had this little cup and handle spiked up there. So could it spike down here off this 429 level? Let's get down to a 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, you could have had a buy stop order really at this high here. 374, 375. When it broke that, then it shot up here. And now that's where I would be scaling out, right? And it's found resistance here. So if you can get above this level, then it's got more resistance above. Here, if we look at a daily chart, it's coming up in this anchored VWAP from the day where it ran up quite a bit. Right, so you can see now it's making new highs, and the volume here is substantial enough. All right, there you go. So now it's breaking out. You got a new 252 bar high. So here you had 20 bar highs, and now it's going to find resistance at this level. So all of these levels that are marked out are areas where it could turn around. All right, so the way that I like to play these is look for patterns like this where it dips down. There's a buy signal, right? And you had some volume coming in. Now it dries up, so it's pulling back. It doesn't mean necessarily have to take this signal, but now I would be looking for, okay, is it going to hold this level? Yes, it did. Came in here. Oh, hold on a second. Came in here with, oh my God, a higher low. Why is this not drawing? There we go, higher low. And now look, it's coming off this level. It's finding resistance right at that 454 level. Now see from this candle here, that was another higher volume candle. Actually, even here was the higher volume. So it has the resistance above. Now this is pre-market. Sometimes things like this can move a little better. Pre-market. Let's look at this scanner here. Yep, see it's all green, SNTG. So slowing down here. It got rejected back into this box here under the 429. It's trying to, it went up and said, oh, no. So you had about 1 million there. You pulled back on 654,000. Minute, 1 hour. And so it's trying to form this cup. It's trying to get above this 454 level. That seems to be some pretty key resistance there. Right, so just it went up there and tapped it, almost tapped it. Right, so that was the high on this candle over here. Yeah, that high was 454 exactly, and the high we've got here, 449. So couldn't get above that 450 level. The 50 half-dollar, whole dollar marks on these lower priced stocks are key levels to be aware of. Okay, so it's pulling back, it's holding up. You can take an anchor VWAP. Here. Okay, now it's back above, right? I'm looking for it to break this 454 level. Where's the volume? Yeah, it's coming through with lighter share so far. So when you have a breakout like this, now you can just flip to a simple 2-minute chart and look for a new 2-minute bar low if you're holding a runner. Now this is pre-market, so pre-market I typically don't trade pre-market, and I'm not trading this, I'm just commentating it. Live commentation, right? So where's the volume? Where's the volume? Here's sellers coming in. It's having a hard time with that level. If you took it right there, you had a nice 20% run. All right, so now I'm getting a sell signal. Let's see how that candle closes. ADR on this is 34% average move per day. This will tell me the high bar. Wow, look at that. So that sell signal did not follow through. See, I want to add bar low. I think that might be a little helpful to have. Wow, look at that. It's coming through again. Let's add bar low. Color that pink. So right here, this is TC2000, so this is showing you the bid-ask spread right here. So it is a tight spread. And so you're getting more highs.